Hello and welcome to this 4 Baje Ka Live, which is going to be about some beautiful cottons. Now you're going to be seeing a mixed range, of course, premium cottons such as the one that I'm wearing, but you're also going to be seeing some with embroidery, some with zari check. It's going to be some really wonderful pieces that you're going to be seeing today. हमारे live simultaneous है on Facebook, Instagram और दोनों ही post होते हैं Facebook and Instagram पे. The moment they're over, so in case अगर आप miss कर देते हैं, then you can see them and then you can come on WhatsApp to place your order. बहुत सारे options and I will need the match for these pieces that we are seeing. बहुत सारे options जो आप देख रहे हैं आज वो many below 20k as some wonderful sets that you're going to be seeing. I don't know, Instagram, is everything okay on Instagram because थोड़ा pause हो रहा है, but like it's freezing. Facebook is working just fine for now, but hi guys, just wondering if everything is working fine on Instagram. Lots of cottons, that's what you're going to be seeing, and we're going to get started in just a bit. I just need that confirmation whether this is working fine. It's streaming fine on Instagram, and what I have for you, a whole range of colors for you to choose from, including some wonderful pieces like this one. So look at that. I'm going to just start. Everything is working fine. Okay, that seems great. Thank you for letting us know. Yes, wonderful. Thank you so much for confirming on that. And let's get started. 4 बजे का हमारा favorite time है, the chai time, where we're going to be showing you lots of options in this range that we are starting now. Now, the first things first is this wonderful color. Now, this one is such a sunny bright, it's meant for summers. Actually, kabhi bhi pehne, it's just, colors ka baat hi aisi hoti that, they always look good. Just depends कि आपको किस, in what mood you are to kind of wear this. Now, if you're going to be going for 5 meter of this fabric and this dupatta, and look at that beautiful, handmade dupatta, 20,700. That's the price. So here it is. Now you can see everything all in close, all in detail right there. Now look at that. There is this entire work done, and that's your fabric. Ultra soft, very soft. So if you want to kind of want me to open it, I will show you how exactly soft this fabric is. This is how soft it is. So look at that. It's absolutely amazing. Along with that, you can see this dupatta, 20,700 for 5 meters plus dupatta. Just loving this color that you're seeing. Now next up is this one that you can see. Now this one is a shade of pink, which basically you can wear all season, and absolutely in this one, now you're in a mood to wear pink, but agar aapko kuch aur chahiye, to look at that. I think it's a really nice shade of pink and very soft, very wearable. That's the whole thing. जो इसका हमारा लुक है वो हमने डिजाइन किया है करीबन 8 मीटर्स में, because it's a very nice fabric to add volume to your look. So if you're in a mood for wearing some anarkali and soft pleated, even like a dress you can wear, it will look wonderful. And then you can take this soft wrapping dupatta and put it on your head, wrap it around yourself, get it on one side. Some really nice colors to have. All of these are, so what I am wearing, I am just coming to that in just a bit. इसके बाद मैं वही दिखाऊंगी. इसके 2-3 और colors हैं मेरे पास, which I will show you, and then I will show you what I am wearing. That's also available. Now look at that. Here it is. This is the shade of purple. और इसकी जो एक बहुत मेन खासियत है वो ये है कि आप इस लुक को, ये जो फैब्रिक है, अगर मैं आपको सेपरेटली बताऊं, ये दुपट्टा है 15,800. ये फैब्रिक जो हम दिखा रहे हैं इसके साथ वो 980 पर मीटर है. आप 2.5 मीटर लें, 5 लें, 2 लें या 10 लें, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. जितना आप लेना चाहें यू कैन टेक. नाउ this look is also customizable in any color that you want. You want it in black, you want it in navy, you want it in a red, we can do it for you. Of course, दिखाने के लिए हमारे पास ये colors हैं, but principally we can do any color from the shade card that you pick. Now this is a really nice, even just a dupatta to have, very delicate. Maybe you have a suit to go along with it. Love the pearl touch. और इसमें सिर्फ दुपट्टेज में मैं आपको 2-3 colors दिखा रही हूँ. This is one color also. Now this one is a shade of blue, also really pretty. So it's a very nice shade of blue. And then you have this. Okay, this is our main signature color. जिसका पूरा लुक आप देख सकते हैं इन द नीव स्टाइल गाइड. So you can see there the entire look with this one. So that's the whole deal with these beautiful dupattas. Just look at that combination of colors. I think it looks really, really nice. And next up, what we are going into is this fabric that I'm wearing. Now you can see, absolutely comfy. That's my full look. Now my look is with a plain bottom. Yeah, this is a really beautiful cut pants. It looks, I find it very nice when I wear it. Also very comfy. It doesn't kind of stick to your body. This जो मैंने पहना है ये है हमारा 980 per meter चंदेरी cotton fabric, and this you can wear any time. So you can wear this in any, it can be dyed in any color. मैं अब इस look के आपको I'm going to show you the color options that are available, and can we also have the match for this. So if you're wearing this entire look, which means that it is this chanderi cotton dupatta, there you go. That's your chanderi cotton dupatta. This is your kurta, and the bottom with it comes out to be 16,900 for this full look. अब मैं इसके colors दिखाऊंगी. Of course, this is the piece that I am wearing with this peach meena, and this is a full same on same look. इसी तरीके से हम आपको सारे ही we're going to kind of match it with each one of these. किसी में मैं contrast दिखाऊंगी, but if you want, we can do it with all of them. Now, the next one I'm showing you with kota. इसमें थोड़ा price बढ़ जाएगा. This will be 3-piece set, 17,300. Now, इसमें dupatta I've done in contrast. Bottom, I would say we can do in the base color of the kurta. And if you like, then we can do the same dupatta I am wearing. This is a chanderi cotton 3200. Very, very wearable and very, very useful to have. That you can do in the same color. And look at that. ये इसका contrast का look है. आप चाहो तो you can just go for the full look in the same base color से pick up करके दुपट्टा भी कुर्ता भी. So you can do chanderi cotton दुपट्टा, or you can do kota silk, you can do contrast, or you can do same on same. So इस तरीके से we do a lot of customization. Like everything is possible. So that's the second color. Now I will show you the third color. Now the one I'm wearing is a shade of purple. What I have in my hand is the shade of pink. So you can see the color. And this is exactly the whole look that you're going for. अगर ये look आप जाते हैं, now our first one that I showed you was with the contrast in kota. Now this is all same on same, bottom भी यही होगा. तो 2.5 meter and 2.5 meter bottom plain will be 17,300. Also a great look. If you want to make it a little dressy, then I would say you can also go for a same on same. It also looks nice. Suppose you say, I don't want to wear दुपट्टा, मुझे सिर्फ सेम ऑन सेम लुक चाहिए, देन यू कैन डू दैट. और उसी बात पे मैं इसके बाद आपको एक सेम ऑन सेम लुक दिखाऊंगी, विच इज रियली नाइस. नाउ बट बिफोर दैट, द लास्ट कलर इन दिस, आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. दिस वन इज द लास्ट कलर, 17,300. As I said, lots of pieces for you today below 20K for full looks and very, very premium, because प्रीमियम कॉटन जब आप पहनते हैं, इसका एक फील एंड लुक इज वेरी डिफरेंट. यू कैन वेयर दिस टू अ फॉर्मल इवेंट, मेक इट लुक वंडरफुली लाइट, वेरी comfy, but the beauty of hand woven, the fabric, it's amazing. So that's one look. This whole look that I'm wearing, जो first piece भी मैंने दिखाया, उसका भी हमारे पास complete look है. Just ask us, we'll show you. Second, the whole lot, this is the look. And we have shown you this as well. Now, तीसरे का भी मैं आपको look दिखा के I will show you the piece. Now, इसका can we do this color first? Do we have this color? Is it available? Now, I'm just showing you for sample. Okay, this is not my piece, but yes, it's a close person's piece. We just designed it for them just to show you कि ये pieces कैसे लगते हैं पहन के. Now, I'm just showing you this. So look at that. That's the piece. That's the pant. This is the top. Now you can do it kurta and bottom as well, and very, very comfy, very soft, very easy casual looks that look always nice. Now this one is designed as a pant, as a short crop top. This one, not a crop top, this is a top, this is a crop pants, and I think it's really nice as a same on same. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा the whole look. And we keep trying these different silhouettes. Of course we don't stitch, guys, remember, हम stitching नहीं करते हैं, बट ये जस्ट लुक है. नाउ दैट्स गोइंग टू बी योर फुल लुक. अब इसी के मैं कलर्स आपको दिखाती हूँ वेरी क्विकली. लुक एट दैट. दैट्स द कलर दैट आई वाज शोइंग यू. नाउ दिस फैब्रिक बाय द मीटर. नाउ फॉर समथिंग लाइक दैट यू विल नीड अबाउट 4.5 meters. यू कैन डू दैट. एंड उसके अलावा सो यू कैन सी द फुल लुक. नाउ आई वांट टू शो यू ये इसके कलर ऑप्शंस फॉर द लुक दैट वी जस्ट शोड यू. सो यस, आवर फैब्रिक्स You can even try different silhouettes. Like you can just do a same on same casual cord जैसे मैंने दिखाया आपको, and you can wear it. This is 2200 per meter. Let's show you very quickly the color options that are there in it. Now look at this one. This is also a really nice color. Look at that. So this is इसी के color options सारे ही 2200 per meter हैं जो मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको, और उन सभी के साथ आप जिस तरह का मैंने look दिखाया you can do it. But I will also show you something else that now if you want to wear it as a suit and you want to go for a dupatta with it, तो ये देखिए, this is the Chanderi cotton dupatta with it 3200 वाला. और now I will show you each of these looks. It's good to open that so that you can go and see the full look. Look at that. It's a really cool one. तो इसमें बिना दुपट्टे के cord look और even asymmetrical long kurta. तो ये जैसे top था वैसे आप long kurta and with some flare you can do all of that. Now the dupatta that I'm wearing, you can see this is what I'm showing you with lots of these, that they're so easy to manage, so easy to wear. Now this one ये थोड़ा सा अलग दुपट्टा है इसके साथ. It's a little dressy दुपट्टा, also really good on its own. 5000 for this dupatta. Now let's show you this fabric. So look at that. Here it is. This is the fabric. You've seen the look. जो look आया था उसमें वैसा ही look आएगा इनमें. Now this one is a contrast one. If you want to go for a base color, you can also do that. I love this contrast. It looks really good. So wear it as a suit. Wear it as a same on same combination. Or of course, just go for a top and bottom. That's also nice. So yes, many which ways. Sabhi 2200. The last two colors that I have in my hand. Now ये तो थोड़ा सा contrasting हो गया दुपट्टा. I think base would look better in this, or of course the touch of red. Now here you go. So really nice. Now one silhouette जो मुझे इस fabric में बहुत पसंद आता है, which is also what we have done in the checkered मूंगा silhouette. If you not, you can always ask us. We call it the rose silhouette as well. आप अगर पूछेंगे हम उसको आपको जरूर डिजाइन दिखाएंगे. तो now this is enough for a kurta, dupatta, and it's really nice. So yes, we can do that. So this is a really good piece, and you can choose from that. So yes, I have shown you 3 collections. सभी के looks हैं हमारे पास. जो इसका जो look है उसकी मैंने just आपको I have just shown it to you right here. One I'm wearing and one we have it in pictures. You can ask us. Now quickly, as I said, we're going to do some premium cottons for this season and beautiful colors at that. इसमें हम जरूर आपके लिए we can match a bottom plain, and इसके साथ हम दुपट्टा भी कर सकते हैं. In cotton I'm showing you the contrasting one. If you say do it in orange, then I will do it in orange, and it looks really dressy. This is made in Karwa. This is made in Meena, so you can see that. And now the next one is again, here it is. Look at that. This is the other color. So these are 2 colors in this fabric, premium cotton. Plain bottom, dupatta as I just showed can be added if you want, or you can buy just the fabric. Also very nice, very beautiful. Now इसके बाद मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी 2 suits with gold tissue dupatta, and I love this combination, which is why I'm showing it to you now. Look at that. One, of course, our gold tissue dupatta back in stock, and guys, this is 5800. It gleams like gold. It is going to be the most flexible piece to have in your wardrobe, because आप इसको हर जरी, गोल्ड जरी के कुर्ते के साथ पहन सकते हैं, and it always matches and completes your look. 5800. Shipping is free above 5000 in India. तो वो भी फ्री होगा. टैसल्स आपको कराने हैं तो वो 2450 एक्स्ट्रा होएगा. सो दैट्स वन थिंग. अदरवाइज इट्स अ वंडरफुल नाइस गोल्ड पीस टू हैव. एंड जो इसके साथ मैं एक्चुअली कॉम्बिनेशन आपको दिखा रही थी वो था ये. सो लुक एट दैट. दैट्स योर फैब्रिक. दिस इज चंदेरी विद गोल्ड एम्ब्रॉयडरी. I think it looks really nice. Look at that. You can see the whole gold look, and बहुत सुंदर. And you can take plain fabric in the chanderi, matching it if you want. Now इसके बाद इसी fabric का एक और color है, and that is what I'm showing you right here. Let me just open it for you so that it's very clear. Now look at that. That's your second one, again with the gold embroidery. Nice green shade, and this I have enough. So ideally, you should go for a same on same. बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. Like light, dressy, and very pretty. So you can do this full look, and it would look really fabulous as well. And now next up, बहुत सारे fabrics किए हैं हमने. Now for some time I'm just going to keep this dupatta apart because I want to show you some dupattas myself. So मैं आपको अभी दिखाऊंगी मूंगा सिल्क के दुपट्टे, and these are our brush dyed. We have some wonderful colors available. जो भी आप ये देख रहे हैं सब नेचुरल लाइट में है. हाउ विल यू प्लेस एन ऑर्डर? यू विल टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट and you will come and place your order right there. So that's the way to place your order on WhatsApp. Live में आप हमारा बेस्ट कलेक्शन देखें. This is a peach on peach. Let's do a pink. तो नहीं, इसी में आप पिंक दीजिए मुझे. Yes. So let's do a pink. So I'm, look at that. I'm just showing you this. This is a peach on peach. Then I have pink. I have more colors with it, which is what I'm going to show you. Look at that. Now these are our Munga silk dupattas, and I think these are 16,800. Very wearable, absolutely lightweight. Look at that. Now with this, go for a plain Munga suit set. It looks incredible. So you can, in the base color, match a plain Munga suit. Very classy and extremely wearable. इसके दो और colors है मेरे पास. And these lengths are 2.3 plus tassels at an average, which means that they're very easy to use. Now look at that. This is also one dupatta, and it's a really nice shade of grey and purple, and this is available. For the suit sets, we will dye the munga on your order. अगर आप बोलेंगे तो मैं जरूर आपको dye करके देंगे. 2450 plain munga silk dyed in the base or in contrast. Now this one is that, mango color. It's really fresh. But for a complete look, my suggestion would be that we go for the base color in each one of these. Now, next up, what we have for you is a set of linen fabrics, a premium linen fabrics. Of course, ये जो range है इसकी थोड़ी, it's a higher range. So this one is a higher range of fabrics. Handmade fabrics with meenakari. And look at that. Now, these are what we have. This is our new launch for this season. It's premium meenakari linen fabrics. When you're wearing this actually, and you can just take a picture, take a screenshot. When you're wearing something like this, of course, इनके साथ हमारे पास linen dupatta है, which is the premium linen dupatta, which are 18,800. But if I tell you something, when you're wearing something like this, it's really just about this fabulous fabric. If you can believe it, it's in linen by silk. That's the composition. And look at that stunning color in each one of these. This is a light baby pink. I'm going to show you all the colors that we have. And with the bottom, you can do same on same, but yes, it's a premium fabric. And if you find that a little cost intensive, then you can definitely go for plain chandeli cotton, which is a fabric that goes really well with it. एक तरफ गोल्ड बॉर्डर है, एक तरफ ये बॉर्डर है. डोंट फॉरगेट टू यूज दिस व्हेन यू आर डिजाइनिंग योर आउटफिट. इट्स गोइंग टू लुक अमेजिंग. यही बहुत वैल्यूबल है फॉर अस टू काइंड ऑफ मेक इट ऑन योर ऑन योर पीस, एंड ऑल्सो इट जस्ट काइंड ऑफ एड्स दैट होल टच विद इट. एक तरफ ये बॉर्डर है, एक तरफ हमारे पास इसमें गोल्ड बॉर्डर है. सो दैट्स द गोल्ड बॉर्डर. अगेन दिस ऑल्सो लुक्स रियली गुड. Put it on your pants, on your plain pants. चंदेरी लें या चिनिया सिल्क लें, both will look really good. So उसके साथ आप मैच करके you can put it in the base color and वो gold border लगा सकते हैं. Very very dressy. दुपट्टा 18,800 linen. You can match with it, or else you can just do one of the lighter dupattas, or probably you can even you can just go for the fabric, because like a nice long kurta and pants, and you can do slight soft collars. They will look incredible with it. And there you go. This is the second last color that I have. This is of course the stunning black that you have, and the last one of this is this. Here you go. So this is a natural, very unusual but a color जिसमें ये मीना orange and pink का बहुत सुंदर लगता है. And of course the green effect. And I'm also showing you the border side. वो gold border side थी और ये है मीना border. So this is what I'm showing you. Look at that. Very very classy. Nice long kurta, plain pants, kota silk dupatta or a linen dupatta if you want to make it very very premium, a perfect look. And you can ask us for the pictures and we'll show you what we mean by the linen dupatta. So yeah, that's something to go for. Very quickly, some fabrics that you're going to be seeing, and that's what I'm going to go for now. ये एक fabric है जो premium cotton का है, और इसके साथ now first I'm going to show you this fabric. It's a great fabric with this maheen design for a same on same. This is a brocade weave, absolutely clean, but जो fabric का है इसका, this is premium cotton, so Chanderi by Silk. That's the composition. Soft, flowy, very, very rich. Now, if you're doing a same on same, or even if you take a plain red bottom, एक दुपट्टा जो इसके साथ बहुत सुंदर जाएगा is this. Look at that. You can see this gorgeous raw silk दुपट्टा. इसके साथ ये बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. So I think that's a very nice look to go for. You know, if you like contrast, if you enjoy it. एक मैं same on same भी दिखाऊंगी आपको. Okay, so somebody saying, where are you based? We are based in Mumbai. Yeah, that's where we are based from. And we have a studio. How we sell is basically in these lives. You see it, you come on WhatsApp and you place your order. So that's the way that we work. We ship worldwide. India में COD भी available है. If you're curious, yes, we do have COD. And yes, and what we specialize is fabric, dupattas, suit sets, all unstitched, all pure, and yes, all Banarsi, of course. Now look at that. Here it is. This is the next look that we are going for, which is all orange, or iska jo last look hai. Now, of course, you can go just for the dupattas. These are very beautiful dupattas for 11,800. Look at that, in orange on orange. Intensity of orange ki alag hai, but yeah, I think it looks really fab. The next one again, I'm going to show you in a contrast. And there you go. This is the contrast. So, iske baad just quickly some fabrics in premium cotton which you can wear this season. Now look at that. That's your next one, and this is pink and green. मैं इस fabric को जरूर खोल के दिखाऊंगी. This is 3,800 per meter. All the prices we may not mention, but we will tell you as possible. और अगर आपको और जानना है तो आपको WhatsApp पे ही आना पड़ेगा. If you don't have a detail of a piece, that's how we work. That's how we sell. So yes, that's where you want to come. And there you go. That's the combination of wonderful contrast. This fabric on its own, very, very pretty. So yeah, I think it looks really good. And let's go quickly show you some premium cotton combinations. या अगर सिर्फ fabric है तो fabric भी. ये आपका कुर्ता है, इसमें plain bottom होगा. And I'm going to show you the dupatta. Look at that, light, pretty. You can't go wrong with it. So many options, and all of these, you know, about they're all much below 20K. So that's the good thing. This one fabric, so pretty in yellow. Let's show you this. अब कोई भी अगर beautiful red दुपट्टा आपके पास है, if you have something like this, it will look really pretty. Summers का color है, हमेशा अच्छा लगेगा. And something like this. Otherwise, of course, we can do a combination and give you this red dupatta with it, or just buy the fabric on its own. That's also a really good option. There you go, a hot pink. Look at the wonderful set that you can see right here. Now, this another fabric. So everything, lots of fabrics, guys, for you to choose for this summer. Now, this one is a beautiful fabric. Go for a same on same. ऐसा आएगा diagonal. और premium है, cotton, Sona Rupa Zari है. This is your look. This is your fabric. And here it is. Now, look at that. That's what you're wearing. These borders are there. उनको ज़रूर use करें. So, this is your fabric. This is how soft it is. And very, very pretty. Now, I'm going to show you the last 2-3 fabrics that I have. This, along with इसका जो दूसरा color है, वो ये है. इसमें हम दुपट्टा हमने match किया है. You can take a contrast, or you can do a same on same color, the same Chanderi cotton dupatta. You can do a same on same. Look at that. There you go. That's your one option. So many options. क्योंकि I think इतने messages आ रहे हैं, and that's what we said. Just come in the live today and check out the options that we have for this. Some zari, some fabric, very soft, very wearable. This one, again, I think you can go for the kota dupatta in pink. It would look nice. ये मेरे पास एक ही दुपट्टा है. It's perfectly matched if you want to go for it. But yeah, this is just one option that we have. And you can see it's a very nice pink. Pink kota tha na, can I get that? That would also look very nice. Yeah, like this. Because I think this would really elevate its look. Look at that. बहुत pretty, very, very pretty. Base bottom, या थोड़ा सा dressy करें तो same on same ले. I think it look really nice. ऐसा ही एक और color है, and उसमें it's a yellow color. So this is a very last piece of the live today. We've shown you lots of options that you can pick from. And let me just see the piece dupatta. The last piece, come on WhatsApp, place your order, watch the live. The moment हमारा live खत्म होता है हम इसको post करते हैं on Facebook, Instagram and it becomes a video. So then you can catch it. Long format if what you like, then come join the live. अगर आपको छोटे video content wise catch करना है, then you can see lots of short videos. So many questions now. I love this. It's got this, very peachish tone. Do a same on same, do a contrast, many which ways of wearing it. Same kind of fabric जो मैंने पहना है. All of this really soft, really easy. You can see this. This is really soft. And yes, the same one is also available. This is the dupatta that I have. And let me just kind of place the piece right here. So you can see this is a one full look that you can go for. Same on same with the bottom. Or many other options for you to choose from. The live will just be posted on Facebook, Instagram. Come on WhatsApp, place your order. COD avail kare India mein. If you want token, some token amount, and the balance can be paid in cash. If you're outside India, payment and order करना दोनों ही बहुत easy है. देखिए WhatsApp पे आइए, payment link Razorpay का USD, GBP, CAD, AUD, whatever your currency, we'll give it to you in that. So thank you guys for your time and I will see you really soon again.